Kamusta mga kabasketbolista? Dinaig ng UST Tiger Cubs ang FAU-BB Tamaraws 76-75. Tinalo naman ng UA Junior Warriors ang DLAZ Junior Archers 79-70. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like at subscribe. Heto ang team standings as of October 16, 2024. UA Junior Warriors 8 wins 0 loss. FAU-BB Tamaraws 6 wins 2 losses. UST Tiger Cubs 5 wins 3 losses. DLAZ Junior Archers 4 wins 4 losses. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like at subscribe. Enyo Ball Pops 4 wins 4 losses. Ateneo Blue Eagles 4 wins 4 losses. Adamson BB Falcons 1 win 7 losses. UP Junior Fighting Maroons 0 win 8 losses. Heto ang mga laro ngayong October 19, 2024 na gaganapin sa UST Pavilion. Maglalaban ng UST Tiger Cubs at UP Junior Fighting Maroons alas 8 ng umaga. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like at subscribe.